Hello, so I'm currently back at the Colclough Road job where we're doing a 3-bed house to a 4-bed. So I'll turn around, give you an update where we're at. We have got the wobbly hand syndrome today. I haven't bought my gimbal, so let's see how this works out. So let's have a look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little bit different today. I'm going to show you from the loft space working down. So as you can see, that's the staircase coming up. On the last video I shared with you, what we're going to do is increase this wall, as we have done. That creates that wall a lot more sturdy, because if this is a parent's bedroom, not too bad. If it's a children's bedroom, that wall was a bit wobbly. So we built that up, we framed all the way across, we squared off there. What we're going to do is when you go down the stairs, I'll show you in a minute, we're going to build up the bulkhead so you've got a bit more head height. It's still okay, just about passes regs, but we're going to build that up to make sure it does pass regs. Because this, I believe, hasn't got planning. We're going to go for retrospective. The application has gone in, it's been paid by the client. We're going to get them in, come and have a look and try and get this signed off for him to allow this to be classed as a bedroom. It's already in place, he's brought it how it is. I'm just trying to tick all the boxes at the moment now. So yeah, I'll turn it around. Let's have a good look at the house. So this is the loft space. I'll give you a view from all this angle. We've opened everything up because we've got to put steel in below there. I'll show you that shortly. It's going to be a nice sized bedroom up here. We've took all the covers off, we're checking the insulation depth, getting everything exposed, ready for the engineer to come, ready for the building regs to come for that retrospective planning. As you can see in here, that's the old water header tank, you can't really see. We're going to put steel in there, I'll show you from down below. And this is that wall, as I just showed you. It's all been built up now. Just because originally, as I showed in the video, it was wobbly, now it's pretty sturdy now. And that allows, nice there. We've created the bulkhead, you can see where the bulkhead was originally, where that paper was. So we created a larger bulkhead. So now we come down, we've got more than enough, I can't even reach there, head height. And this will be taken out. You can see where it was, it's taken out there. Because when you come down, you can literally see my head is roughly there. You've got that much extra. Where before, come all the way down, you're limited on the head height. As you can see, we dropped all the ceilings. There's not much drop in this, but we're doing it to save the Artex. A lot of people will put blue grit over that, let it stick and then plaster, but it's not a guarantee permanent fix. It can still come off. So yeah, dropped all the ceilings. This is where the bedroom door is going to be now for the loft room. So you come along here, turn left, walkway, let's just call this for the upstairs loft room. Let me turn around. So you'll see what happens is you come up the ground to the first floor, come down here, you've now got a doorway there. The doorway opens up, you walk up to the loft. That's bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 is here. This is what we were showing before. There was plaster on here, it's all been taken off. We put a door frame in. That's going to be bedroom 2. We've shortened the bedroom. If you haven't seen video 1, so I'll have a look up either here or here. In one of the corners, I'll put the video 1 so you can keep up with to date with what we're doing, where we're at. Same again, slightly drop the ceilings here, just so we can get a nice finish. We're going to put plasterboard over that, really good finish, save messing around with the Artex. We have had the asbestos checked. That's one thing to say, always check your asbestos. We did take out all this wall, because it was all wobbly like that. So we put some of the joists back in, we squared it off nice and straight. And this is the bedroom. We're going to leave the feature fireplace in, it looks really nice. So yeah, nice sized bedroom to be fair, this one. There's 2 bedrooms. That's going to be where the bathroom's going to go. You walk back in the hallway, turn left, door frames in, all ceilings dropped everywhere. You walk in, it's going to be 1500 bath. From there, it goes through that wall, I'll show you in a minute, and there's going to be maybe a bit of a, what can I call that? A bit of a wall there, so it's a bit of a return. So you're going to have a small return here, and then what will happen is the taps in the bath will fit partially in there, and there's taps maybe here or on that wall with a shower head up above. So the bath goes from this wall partially through that wall. That's why we knocked that through. Then we're going to put a lintel in there. We're going to put a secondary one in here to knock through there as well, to allow the toilet to sit slightly back into that bedroom as well. So yeah, looking really well. This is bedroom 3. So you can see what we're going to do. Door frames gone in, and a concrete lintel, because the cracks that were appearing behind the plaster, that was one of the things the engineer picked up when he came to do a report. But as you can see, we've filled that in. There's going to be a wall roughly here, about there, straight across. That'll go all the way across. That'll give us just enough to inset the bath roughly to there. Then this is the next one. Wait for the steel basically. Once we get the steel from there to there, we can open that up and then put another stud roughly there. So bedroom over there, bedroom here, bedroom over there, and one where the old bathroom was, which was there. Same again, all the walls taken out, all new. And this is where that timber, the old timber framework here, the old boiler, the head tank was there, the header tank is right above my head. So steel looking from there to here. I'll take all this wall down and to allow this old bathroom to be opened up to roughly there and be a kid's box room. Let's take you downstairs. Downstairs we go, downstairs we go. I thought I'd butt in halfway through the video because I know I give a lot of value, a lot of content. If there's something that you're looking for, sorry about the wobble, something you're looking for, don't forget, ask the question. If you want to know about dropping ceilings, about any checks, any surveys, any kind of floor plans, whatever you want to know, comment below and I'll try and do a video just for you. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, do smash that subscribe button down below. Stay tuned and I will do some more videos for yourself. Let's carry on, turn this around. So ground floor. As before, drop ceilings in place. We like to drop these, it saves the hassle of what we're doing. It's quite nice in here. The ceilings aren't like yellow with nicotine. You can see all the wood that we're taking out. Drop ceilings. Drop ceilings are a great way, to be fair, because that is bright yellow. You can't really see it actually. So you can see the yellow of that wall is the same as the yellow of the ceiling. It's literally been heavily stained, and I believe it's like nicotine or something like that. So you see all the pictures that the owners used to have on here. There was all boxing in were taken out. But you can imagine trying to paint, that's a better picture. You can imagine trying to paint over that. That'd be an absolute nightmare. It's quicker, easier, and possibly cost effective. Probably similar cost, to be fair, if anything. Just to get someone in, drop a drop ceiling in, put the insulation in, and put plasterboard on, then trying to coat that 3, 4, 5 times just for it to bleed back through again and do it again. There's no point. You're better off getting a nice square finish to get that. Also, it allows us, because don't forget the bathroom is in the middle of the house, we've got to get the waste out. One thing's to check when you're trying to get the waste from the middle or the front to the back, which way do your floor joists run? So for example, if your floorboards run that way, your joists will naturally run the opposite way. Lucky for us, this one, the floorboards go that way and the joists do go that way. But you can imagine if the floorboards went this way and the joists went that way, trying to get your waste out is going to be a lot harder because you've got to try and get through the existing joists. So what you'd have to do is drop the ceiling a bit lower to allow your service stack for your soil stack for your toilet to drop, come along. Don't forget, you'll need a 1 in 40 fall. You need to get that passed off by building regs to get that out the back. Remember, you can only drop a ceiling as much as the window height will allow. Obviously that's a window light well. We could change the doors. I don't put the infill panel at the top, we could brick that up. That would allow us to drop it even further. But in this case we don't need to, because as I said, the floorboards go left to right on the screen. The joists go, the floorboards go this way, up and down. The joists go that way, so we can drop the soil stack, falls in line with the joists, makes it a perfect end result what we want. The garden is all cleaned out. We've studied off internal walls here and internal walls there. So basically we stood off all these external walls. We've had to change the rotten floor. So yeah, this is the house that we're converting from a 3-bed to a 4-bed for a client. So I hope that's helped give you a quick update where we're at. 3-bed to a 4-bed for a client. It's going to be a great project. By the time it's done, kind of really great value as well. The biggest problem is sorting that loft out to make sure we can get it passed on retrospective planning and get it signed off by the building control so we can actually class this as a 4-bed house. It's already in place, got working through all the channels, getting everyone in, get the engineer in to check the joists are correct for the loadings, and go from there. So yeah, any questions, comment below. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Speak to you soon.